Hello, namaste, everyone. Welcome to the introduction of the Aroma Yogis program. This program is designed by a collaborative of yogis who are also doTERRA wellness advocates for people like you in mind. Just like you, we are a group of yoga and fitness instructors, therapists, and healers who want to bring our clients the most cutting edge and up to date health information and products while increasing our impact as well as our bottom line without sacrificing our integrity or authenticity. We believe in the healing modalities of yoga, Ayurveda, and aromatherapy, so we created this program to help you do the same. We invite you to expand your reach in your community, attract those new to yoga and wellness, keep clients happy and loyal to your business, receive continued referrals, offer a unique, healthy, healing environment, expand your brand beyond yoga into holistic healing by adding weekly essential oil classes and integrating Ayurveda and aromatherapy into your classes. So, we want to teach you to learn the basics of Ayurveda and aromatherapy in this program. You'll learn the benefits of integrating Ayurveda and aromatherapy into your classes. And we're also going to teach you how to easily integrate Ayurveda and aromatherapy into your classes. This program also will help you to minimize absenteeism in your instructors, offer your staff another avenue of residual income, and to expand your reach beyond your community. We choose doTERRA because it supports many of the things that we hold dear to us and value, and hopefully our students do too. Number one is the quality and purity. So doTERRA has the highest essential oils on the world market today. They're certified pure, tested grade, which you'll learn about in the program. And these essential oils are guaranteed to contain no harmful fertilizers, pesticides, chemicals, synthetics, or even have other plants or weeds in them. Number two, organic and sustainable. These oils and plants are ethically sourced and sustainably harvested through doTERRA's Co-Impact Sourcing Initiative, and they have 96% exclusive contracts with their farmers in 46 different countries around the world. Number three, doTERRA gives back. The Healing Hands Foundation is their nonprofit organization that supports communities in need worldwide. For example, they partner with foundations to eradicate human sex trafficking around the world. And they also partner with organizations and charities like Days for Girls, which educate women in Africa about feminine hygiene and supply them with kits. And they do so much more. They also partner with your personal charity and match your fundraising efforts up to $15,000. And they also support people with 72-hour emergency care kits, among so many different projects, which you'll also learn about in the program. So if you're interested, talk to me about partnering with them, with the community, with a charity that's near and dear to your heart. Number four, empowering and education. So as yoga instructors, we have become natural leaders and teachers in our community, but for others, it may be a foreign skill. So know that you will be supported to educate your students, your staff, and your community in this program. Number five, community and teamwork. Receive all free education, training, mentorship, and support to integrate doTERRA into your business and lifestyle. And you can partner with doTERRA's Healing Hands Foundation to fundraise and empower others to create lasting positive change in your community. So, not only does doTERRA have the highest grade essential oils, but they also have other natural health products that are essential oil based and also go through a stringent testing just like the oils. So we've got products that people use every day in their lives, like toothpaste, skin and hair care, cleaning products and laundry detergent, spa products, nutrition, metabolic and weight management systems, and so much more. So you can use this program as a blueprint and a guide to learn how to share this program with your staff as well. And together we can create enormous positive impact in our world. Namaste.